Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I'll introduce all of toys with you and hand driving one by one. So let's go first. Introduce here. This is a mini Captain Jeep. This is a very nice and beautiful, pretty Jeep here. And there is another one is here. This is a police bike. This is a yellow and red color combination with also black here. And there is a next one is a 3D ambulance. This is a pink, white and paste color also. There is the next one is a yellow and black combination also. And there is another one is here. This is the orange, pink and black combination also. There is the next one is a crane. This is uses fire truck or under construction also. And there is the last one is here. This is a zip car. This is fully green, red and black with white combination. So guys, all of vehicle or toys introduced for you, and right now I will hand driving one by one. So let's go wasting any more time. First one is here, mini Captain Jeep. I'll trying this one. Okay, I'll park it here. Okay, next one is a bike. This is a yellow, pink and red color bike. So I'll trying this bike also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of mini Captain J. There is the next one is a 3D ambulance, so I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides a bike. Okay, next one is the R17 high-speed bike, so I'll trying this one. Okay, I'll park here besides of ambulance. Okay, there is the next one is the animal or wild truck, so I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides a bike. Okay, next one is the under construction vehicle crane, so I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides of truck. Okay guys, there is the last one is a zip car, so I'll trying the zip car also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of crane. So guys, all of vehicles or toys are so nice and beautiful color combination and performance also. And here ending my video with all of these here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys or vehicles. Thank you so much.